Like all the elephants, how you eat the elephant of a business plan. Always the same answer. You manage to eat the entire elephant bite after bite, one bite at a time. But that means you need to have a procedure, a process that will ensure that you have one systematic bite per day. What I mean by that is that in order to fulfill and create your entire business plan, in order to achieve all these things that at first sight maybe it seems to you very complex and very difficult to achieve, you need to break it down into goals, sub goals that you're able to achieve them and that they don't intimidate you. So actually every day you set specific baby steps. They are baby steps in regards to your entire big plan, but actually they are very good steps to follow every single day. And you need to manage them with a very nice and manageable way that actually you choose wise. You choose wise and you set every day specific goals and you create a whole plan, a whole sequence of daily baby steps that you're going every single day with a systematic way fulfill each one of those baby steps. You're going to organize them from the beginning. You're going to attribute each baby step for every single day and you're going to work intentionally with consciousness and awareness towards each little baby step every single day. Sometimes this procedure can seem, it depends on the goal of course, but it can seem repetitive, or sometimes you can feel that you're just doing the same thing without really seeing a great progress in front of you. But this is the progress that we need to achieve at first. We know that in the beginning it's like the learning curve. It goes very, very slowly until it builds up a critical moment and then it boosts and it shows the great results we want. We actually want to desire and then we get them. But at the beginning, we need to have this patience, persistence and faith that our little daily baby steps are actually very, very useful building blocks and each one of them actually has its own value and each one of them, when they are added together, every single baby step at a day into the huge and coherent sequence of baby steps, of events, of creative events into your blueprint, they will provide you with the results you desire. So you need to keep your faith that those baby steps, those baby outcomes every single day, they are actually so valuable for you and for your business plan. And in order, of course, to be able to provide them every day, you really need to ensure that aside your work, you have a fulfilled and a happy personal life as well. Even if you are in the beginning of your business planning and maybe right now you find out that this is a very demanding period of your work, and maybe the temptation to say that you're going to devote your entire time to your business, you need to keep some balance between your professional and your personal life. And I find that completely important. Why? Because providing enough time for your personal life and providing for yourself a well-being during this time of producing those baby steps that are going to help you create the big result, the big goal that you have, you achieve two things. First, every day you provide a good quality of life, which is a good motivation for you to keep working for your goal. But at the same time, it helps you take some distance from your job and it helps you see things differently every single day when you return back to work. You have more inspiration, more creativity, and actually also the reminder that all those things you do during your business, they will actually level up also your personal life. You need to keep those two things in balance. Each one motivates the betterment of the other one. And that's why we used to work at those things at the same time with an equal pace and with a harmony. It's a way we do with that. There is a way to do that. There are techniques and strategies to work with that. And that's why you can always ask your mentor or your success coach to help you with this balance. But don't forget how important it is every day to keep your daily systematic baby steps at hand. And you can set them with several techniques. Your success coach will show you how to do that. You set first your blueprint of your goal, how to achieve it, how to proceed, and then you start breaking each goal, each sub goal, into the baby steps of every single day. Of course, there's always a continuous feedback, continuous update, and according to the progress that you have so far achieved, you also update the way you're going to cut the next few baby steps ahead of you. Sometimes you know that you're going to perform the same baby steps for quite a long time, and this is okay as long as you always take care of your personal life and you know you enjoy what you're doing, you find it enjoyable despite the repetitiveness, and you always have your vision in mind, that you know that all the things you do are actually there in order to help you reach your goal, then everything is fine. You will understand that all this is completely necessary and that you're going to follow it and you're going to achieve it. So don't forget systematic little baby steps every single day, and you will see how all those small achievements that sometimes you don't even take them under account, once they're going to be into the sequence of events, the chain of events for your business plan, they will actually provide for you this fantastic outcome, and you will be really happy and really feeling fulfilled that you have achieved your business goal just by respecting those small dots of events into your agenda, your daily agenda. If you want to know how to better use your daily baby steps and how to break your big blueprint into those little baby steps, you can always ask your success coach. You can always ask me and claim your free coaching session with Panagiota. That's me. You can see below the link and you can sign up for your free coaching session right now with me, and let's break down all your big plans into tangible and fantastic, enjoyable, small baby steps every single day of your creative life.